Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with language learning, and these are specifically flashcard type books. So they won't be your regular typical physical flashcards. It would be more of flashcard cut out images inside the actual book. So it would be more of an interactive style where the customer would look at the book. Inside it would be individual flashcards that they would then cut through. Now it's up to them whether they decide to stick the cut out cards into cardboard paper for extra stability, or they decide to use it that way, just cut out of the book. And these are a great learning tool for many different things, especially for language learning as well. And I'm going to share with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that you can start taking advantage of to create flashcard type books. And also in the upcoming videos, I'm also aiming to show you a tutorial, step-by-step tutorial on how I would go about creating flashcard type books. Now with that being said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. We do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords, as well as other tips and strategies that I personally use to make passive income online. Now with that being said, let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And our first keyword for the day is Portuguese language learning flashcards. And this is an amazing keyword. It has a wonderful keyword niche score of 40 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension, and also a keyword niche score of number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Both of these keyword niche scores complement each other beautifully, the 40 and the 70, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche by Amazon Scout Pro. Coming to the total results, they're currently sitting at 179, which is under 1,000, which is also great to see. The average bestseller rank is within that 300,000 range, and it is currently at 320,069. We also have the average reviews of 193 and the average price of $15.60. So we are looking at a beautiful long tail keyword that has what we need to get started. Now you can even niche down further by creating specific flashcard type books that teach the Portuguese language for beginners, for intermediate, for experts, for or a specific terminology. For example, is a terminology about the basics when it comes to anyone wanting to travel to Portugal, the basics of what they need to know. Is it more food wise, or is it more about furniture, that kind of thing? You can create niche specific types of flashcard books that teach specific terminology about a topic that way. Or you could simply do just a general one, and also you could do it based on the level, whether you want it to be really for beginners, or even you can niche down to whether you want it to be for adults or for children that way. And the concept is very simple. It will only take you about 10 to 15 minutes to start creating the book from scratch, especially if you use tools such as Canva. Now you can also get a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro, linked to the description box below. Another tool that I use to create easy, simple flashcard type books for Amazon KDP is Creative Fabrica, and there is also a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica linked in the description box below, which gives you an all-access subscription up to 10 free downloads for that 30 days, and you can cancel whenever you want. So Portuguese language learning flashcards, amazing niche to dive into. Now let's head to the second keyword for the day, and this is Russian language learning flashcards. And the same thing applies to what I've said about the Portuguese one, is that you can niche down according to whether you want it to be for children or for adults, niche down according to the level, and as well as the top. And also we have we have a keyword niche score of 66 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension, which is amazing, and this is actually a really high score. Also we have a keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which is really good as well, and it complements beautifully with the 66, and it categorizes this keyword as a nice niche. We also have the total results sitting under 1,000, and the total results are currently 329. Now with the average bestseller rank, it is on the higher side. I understand that, yet I wanted to share this keyword with you because it will open up a potential for you. It will help you to diversify your portfolio, so that way you're not ultra focused on specific keywords with a super low bestseller rank. You are diversifying. You never know what things will sell. And also that same exact flashcard type book, you can take that and you can also open a store on Creative Fabrica and sell it there. You can do it on Etsy, you can go do it on Gumroad, you can do it on Payheap as well. It will be an asset for you. So don't limit yourself to only keywords with a super low bestseller rank for Amazon KDP. Think of it as an asset that you have under your belt. You can use it wherever you want in different platforms, publish it there and earn a passive income that way. So the current average bestseller rank for this keyword is 899,892. We also have the average review sitting at 163 and the average price at $13.96. Now let's head over to our third and final keyword before we end today's video. And the third keyword is also connected to language learning and flashcards, and it has the keyword niche score of 54 by self-publishing titans. Now, German vocabulary flashcards. German vocabulary flashcards also has a keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which is also good to see. We have 2 Chrome extensions that are giving us a really good score for this wonderful keyword. Also, the total results are below 1,000 and they're currently sitting at 365. We have the average bestseller rank is on the higher side. I understand that. It is currently sitting on 1,165,567. So you either take it or leave it. I personally will be creating a product on this wonderful keyword. Why? Because both Chrome extensions have confirmed the keyword strength and profitability. Also, the total results being too low, sitting at 365 is also a good indication. This is not a keyword where you're going to put all your effort in and dive in and create as much products as you can. This is a keyword where you want to create 1 or 2 products and then move on to the next in order to diversify as well. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will make sure that I will upload a tutorial showing you how I do flashcard type books for Amazon KDP, preferably between the size of 8.5 times 8.5 inches is the perfect size for these types of books. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.